And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the select tag. It's used to create a drop-down list, and you usually want to use it inside of a form. Well, let me show the basic outline first. So we simply use the select tag opening and closing, and inside you're going to nest the options for a drop-down. So for each element you need a new option. Let me, for example, just use different social media platforms. First one, YouTube. And now I copy, paste this entire element. You could see it like a list item. I'll change this to Twitter. And now I can open a drop down and select Twitter, for example, or YouTube. As I've said, usually it's nested inside of a form. And we also want to give it a label. So let me place a label before it. Select your favorite social media platform. Afterwards, you want to connect it using for and ID attributes. Give it the same value for label and select. It's not going to change anything inside of the browser, but that way you've got these elements connected, and now you nest it all inside of a form. And this is how you can use the select tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.